Hello everybody, my name's Nathan, founder of RetroScythe, and I am so poor that Bubbles... In the last video, we bought a car. I found Scoliosis Steve.
Scoliosis Steve!
We ran over a bottle.
Oh, it's holding the car.
I J-turned the car. We jumped the car.
Oh, fucking hell!
And finally, some chavs pushed it over. In this episode, we continue the shitbox's journey. Enjoy.
I have just wired up the brake pedal to the horn. So now, when Charlie comes along and wants to have a go in it, every time we press the brake pedal, it'll make the horn sound. So this wire runs all the way back here, through there, and it's hidden behind the weather stripping, and it pops out, goes round there, and it goes under there. That plug there is the brake switch. Now every time I press the brake pedal, which I will do from a distance so you can see I'm not pressing the horn, every time I press it, the horn sounds.
You actually did it?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, how am I going to drive this then? Come and put your foot on the brake. Oh,
I've been so excited for you.
So funny.
I've tried so hard
Yes,
not to show you.
Nathan. Yes.
What do we go to when I'm in traffic?
Oh,
Stop it.
no.
When it gets to night time, we have to like...
Yeah. Oh my god. You know what? Oh, that's so funny. We have no handbrake here. He's gonna have to do it here.
Oh no.
She's dead! Why stop there? Why stop there? I can't breathe! Right, looks like Michael Micra has a bit of a problem. We appear to, it's doing a wee, and that's transmission fluid.
Oh yeah.
Get a sample.
Oh.
Smells like Bombay mix. Yeah, looks like this is going to be the last week, maybe, of its life, I guess. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Finally Roger's car around, we have no first gear or second gear. I don't know why. Probably because there's no oil in the gearbox, actually. Just getting reversed. Oh, yep, that's it, yep. Yep. So, in case everyone missed that, that's reversing into a wall makes first and second gear work again.